Hello, and welcome to the one and only channel on YouTube dedicated to educating the viewers on how to improve financial literacy. If you don't have money, what do you do? The question is, what is that one does in particular when they find themselves cashless? As though you were dependent on each paycheck for survival? Or are you scraping by? To what extent do your action entice monetary support? When cash is tight, how do you bring it in? All of your concerns will be addressed in this video. Find a cozy spot because you're going to want to watch this video. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Because of the law of attraction, those who are already wealthy tend to amass even more wealth. In this video that you will see today, Andrea Shulman will discuss with you what she believes were the most important factors in her rise from her more modest origins to where she is now. If you are truly broke right now, this is going to be a great video for you. And she promises that if you do these things, you are going to radically alter your abundance game. You are going to start to attract a lot more money. And you too can be in the same position as she is in the near future. The video that you are going to look at today is good for anyone who wants to attract more money. But if you are truly broke right now, this is going to be a great video for you. Let's get started with the first item. The way we are approaching it is that we have nothing to lose, so we may as well try our luck. This is very important if you are having financial difficulties, if you are living with paycheck to paycheck, if you are broke, or if you have no money at all. There is a pattern of behavior that happens quite often. People have a very strong propensity to not make chances on their financial future, to not go for the bigger job, to not go for the education, to not start the business, or to not go after that dream. Instead, there is a lot of kind of holding onto your cards and just trying to stay afloat in today's society. There are a good number of individuals located there. What you really need to realize is that in order to create this tremendous trajectory from being broke to being extremely abundant, you need to understand that you had to jumpstart you. If you want to make this trajectory, you need to understand that you got to jumpstart you. You heard that right? Jumpstart. Start now. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. When you don't have any money, you have nothing to lose. And there's a great deal of freedom that comes from not having money. And one of the most powerful things that is going to help you get moving in that direction is understanding that you can make moves when you have nothing, with very little consequences. This is one of the best ways to do this. And it's also one of the best ways to remind yourself that you have nothing to lose. However, there is nothing preventing you from taking action in the direction of pursuing your ambitions. There is a proverb that says, "Fortune smiles upon those who are brave." It's okay to follow your goals. So if you've been thinking about doing things like changing careers, enrolling in a new set of schools, making a big life change like moving, or starting a company, just do it. Many individuals are hesitant to go forward because they fear the unknown. But you have nothing to lose by taking these chances. If this is frightening to you, make a list of 20 things. Make a list of 20 things you might do to improve your life and your financial situation. Then look at the list and decide which of those things seems like the most fun to you. If it's the one that sounds like the most fun, then do it again since you have nothing to lose and luck is on your side. To continue with my second point here, if you want to attract money when you don't have any, you have to realize that you have to start from where you are and generate momentum. That is an essential must. Always keep in mind that momentum is the most important aspect of the game. Again, comparisons are something that people do all the time, and comparisons may actually slow down the money that you attract. The question that we need to be concerned with is whether or not we are gaining momentum. For so long as you keep working to create abundance momentum, It will eventually take you up and launch you into a very rich existence. Are you gaining momentum? Well, help us get our momentum by liking this video. Also, share your thoughts in the comments section below. Creating a head of steam is the primary objective of this game. Therefore, you should evaluate how successful you are based on the momentum you have rather than the amount of money you have in the bank, since momentum is the more significant component. Begin to take note of the times when things are going well for you. Take note of the times when you are attracting money. Take note of every instance in which money comes